Hi, I'm Khan with Plumbing Connection. We do the Trenchless sewer replacement in Oakland, California. Property line to the sidewalk. We do plumbing, drain cleaning, water heater, camera inspection for sewer line. We do Trenchless sewer replacement. You can see on a video. We do free estimate as well on a sewer replacement. So please give us a call. Direct number is 510-376-7889 and ask for free estimate for a sewer line. And that's the crew right here. Joe, Big Joe always likes to do the sewer pole. That's Jose. I'm gonna give you a little tour in the back of the property where we're replacing 100 feet. And that's entire 100 feet sewer line going to be brand new in the next 2 hours. We have an inspection tomorrow morning. 10 o'clock. We'll be done with the job today, but we can't do a backfill until inspector come over and look at it and do the inspection. So we took all the terracotta pipe, and also it was a mixture of ABS plastic pipe and a terracotta pipe. You can see the pipe. It's called terracotta or a clay pipe made with dirt. Well, again, my name is Khan and I'm with Plumbing Connection, and my direct number is 510-376-7889. Give me a call. We can give you a free estimate to replace a sewer line, or we do plumbing and drain cleaning as well. Phone numbers again 510-376-7889. Thank you for watching us today, and you have a nice day.